Welcome to our exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial on vector graphics. In this lesson, we'll dive into the fascinating world of illumination, abstract lights, and dynamic backgrounds. First, let's create our background, which will be gradient from pink to blue. Now let's create an element from which we will make the entire composition, a line with a stroke of the same color as the background, and make the thickness minimal. Let's turn it over. Now let's duplicate it dozens of times. Let's leave one sample for later. And let's group it all together and rotate it a little. Next, go to the Object menu, Envelope Distort, Make with Mesh, and there, the object turns into a mesh that can be edited with the Select tool. Here you can use your will and imagination, drag and drop, twist as you want. The result will be different. We'll crop or hide all the extra stuff behind a mask later. I made several such elements using the same principle, and they all turned out differently, with a greater degree of rotation or more lines. Then I superimposed them on top of each other. After all the manipulations, we do expand. Now the grid is gone. To highlight the composition, let's make a circle with radial gradient in black and white. Just drag the colors onto the gradient. The blending mode will be color dodge, and we'll do the highlighting over the objects. It's a little bright, so let's play with the color to get an acceptable result. It turned out pretty well. Good luck. If you have any questions, ask in the comments.